Apparently I'm not the only one who has problem with parked cars in front of a door. That's a bar I'm visiting quite often when going home or going to town, and that is just a good person, older guy working here, and now he has door blocked by a car, but he already called the police, so I'm not calling police yet because I have rocks in front of the door. But that's a Portuguese culture, not only Portuguese, but no different in Portugal than in other countries. It's about getting dry soon. Some traces are still wet here. In 2 days of waterfall, it's been a little bit of inundation here as well in cave, a couple of centimeters, but not very far, just this angle here. But I had some dripping over here as well coming, so this is a little bit wet. I'm gonna dry it and verify that is also wet, so I have to move this. It was just dripping over this plastic here. So, as I mentioned it several times in all the videos, this rusted roof has to be changed for a newer one like this. And meanwhile, it's gonna be a week of rain, not constantly, but small rain. So I'm doing whenever possible, a little bit in the morning, a little bit in the evening, and somewhere in between I do some digging just to keep going. Half an hour at a time, sometime more, to get one day all the things done what I want here. So yeah, waterfall has stopped. It was 2 days, 48 hours straight, from midnight till midnight after 2 days. And inside the cave is still a little bit dripping from the ceiling, but that's already another story about reparations are things to do.